Alright, so I got this turn signal relay on eBay for I think like $7 to $8. So I'm gonna go test it out, the 2004 Ford Expedition, and we'll see if we can complete this operation. Alright, so I had to take off this cover here, and as soon as I did that, I can get right in here to the relay. There's a black plastic cover that goes over it, and mine was just hanging loose, and also the new relay was taller than the old one, so this cover doesn't really fit anymore. But I'm just gonna kind of put it back together and button it up. And I did test it and everything was working, and yeah, that was pretty easy. Look at that. Oh my God. And look at this side. Beautiful.